Hey guys, Joel from Auto Guru here, and today we're talking about batteries, what they are, common issues, and how much it will cost you to replace yours. The battery is your vehicle's main source of electrical power. It provides power to the starter motor, radio, fuel pump, engine control computer, and allows the vehicle to start. It also provides power to the headlights and other electrical systems inside the vehicle, as well as critical safety components such as lane departure warning and collision avoidance. Simply put, if your battery is flat, you're not going anywhere. Some symptoms of a failing battery include a vehicle that won't start or is sluggish to start, as well as dim headlights and a radio that doesn't operate. There are three main problems that you'll find with your common vehicle battery, and they are bad cell, low electrolyte level, and corroded battery terminals. Today's workshops must be able to service batteries in conventional vehicles, as well as complex vehicles equipped with idle stop-start technology and advanced battery management systems. In these cases, initial diagnosis is done in vehicle with a scan tool prior to work being carried out on the charging system. If you have a mechanic inspect your vehicle, they will test not only the battery, but also the charging system of your vehicle and the output of the alternator. If your battery needs replacing, the mechanic will remove and replace it and recycle the old battery. Batteries do vary in price depending on the vehicle you drive. If you drive a smaller vehicle, battery pricing can start from $150 and go up to $250 and above. And if you drive a performance or luxury vehicle, battery pricing starts around $300 and can go to $450 and above. Remember, Auto Guru now offer Afterpay. Simply put in your vehicle details, select a participating workshop and pay it off in 4.
We use Sentry batteries. They're a good, reliable company. It's an Australian company. They have a really good four-wheel drive range and they pretty much fit every vehicle on the road. Most Sentry batteries will last well beyond their warranty period. I would recommend Sentry before anything else.
Their warranty is good, they're Australian made, they've got a good battery.
It's best to have a qualified mechanic carry out any battery repairs or inspections on your vehicle. Visit autoguru.com.au to find a trusted local mechanic today.